I just got done doing a full color change wrap on this 2003 Chevy Silverado Duramax. Let's talk about it, and let's talk about a couple other things I got going on. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Away from Faded Black. Hey, I'm trying to get to 8,000 subscribers, man. I appreciate all you guys subscribing. If you're first time watching this video, please think about giving the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, because let's get to 8,000 subscribers as soon as we possibly can. You know, I have been very, very busy this summer. I've been grinding. I've been trying to keep the customers going and keep their projects going. This Duramax behind me, customer dropped off, said do it in your spare time. But one of the things that happens when you're running a business by yourself and you're busy, you don't have a lot of spare time. So basically that means tinting all day, going and trying to help out your other customers, and then coming home later in the evenings and the afternoons and trying to get other stuff done. Now, you have to imagine you're trying to do other things. You got places to go, you got kids in sports, and you're trying to get your projects done. It was a little crazy. So I wanted to get this customer's truck done as fast as I could. I have to admit, there are some days I just couldn't push myself to come out to get it done, but I finally got it done, and I think it looks awesome. I'm gonna show you some pictures of what this truck looked like before, then we're gonna show you some pictures of what it looks like now at the end. This was the customer's plow truck, so he had so much money invested into the Duramax. He was like, I don't want to get rid of it. Let's just do a color change. I want to go white because I have a motorcycle that's white. I want this truck to match my motorcycle, so that's why we did a white. We just did a clean white on this in gloss vinyl, and I think it looks really sweet. Now, the truck was 100% perfect, but you got to admit, it looks clean now with a nice clean vinyl wrap on it. So let's go around. I'm going to show you some before, and I'm going to show you some afters right about now.
Job, you can't ignore it. I'm transforming now these cars and planes, I'm always boarding. Just out touring down in Charlotte like I play for Hornets. When I'm performing, never boring, now you can't afford it. Champagne Perrier, vintage friends on my face, looking like I'm from the deep. These no Cartiers, pockets deep, 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 bro. I can make it in my seat, bro. Do you, I'm doing me, bro. Making noise, use a beat, bro. Whoa, whoa. I press the button and the doors go up like, whoa. Thought I'd never make it, like no way. I'm the real deal, no role play. My days off, that's no days. No, I hustle hard, young rose. E be the shooter, that's cold case. Those on the deals, that's brose. Got no pay, yo, no say. Okay, this the news, tell them read it. Been the one since a fetus. Don't sleep on me, Tempur-Pedic. That's a no, no, no. Spending dope for no reason. Got a ball head, Mr. Cleaner. Heard the big bags overseas, then we gon' go, go, go. Whoa, whoa. I press the button and the doors go up like, whoa. That money clip us now, the new now looks like, whoa. Upgrade her diamonds, now her girlfriends are like, whoa, 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 whoa.
So with the vinyl wrap, is one of those things, you know, where you can think about either wrapping it or painting it. Now, if he would have paid to paint this, he probably would have spent a lot more money than what I charged him to wrap it. Like I said, it's just a basic color. I didn't take the whole truck apart. I didn't take the bed apart. What I did was I just went right inside the bed, right in here as much as you can see. Now this truck was pewter before, so that color really helps to hide inside the door jambs. Now you can see it was pewter in there, so you don't really notice it much when the doors are closed. Now, if this truck was white going to another color, then you would have really had to go deep inside all the jambs to make sure that the color gets hidden really well. Now, one thing that we did do, he wanted to go a little bit up into the bottom of the jam, so I did do that door jamb a little bit higher than normal. Most of the time I really wouldn't go that high. And we kind of went down a little bit on it too, because we wanted to kind of bring it down a little bit farther. So that's pretty much the extent of the jam work that we did. I only took the mirrors off. I didn't take the bumpers off. I didn't move the bed like I said before. That's all I had to do. I went around the door handles and I think everything looks really good. Like I said, a basic wrap in just white. This thing looks really good compared to the older pewter style, because a nice clean wrap on an older truck, to me, it stands out when you see this thing rolling down the street, because you don't see the older trucks really look that clean. Now this is the diesel. He had a nice amount of money invested into the engine. He didn't just wanna, he likes the truck, so he wanted to keep it. So like I said, it's a debate on whether you wanna wrap or just go paint. So he chose to wrap it. This is an awesome customer of mine. I've done plenty of vehicles for him, so we had to get the truck hooked up. Now I'll be 100% honest, working all day, running, you know, I run the Green Bay on Wednesdays, I run the Freedom a couple times a week, and doing stuff here, it's not a lot of time to get things done on the side. So usually I try to call in to help, but right now it's summertime, everyone is a lot of busy. So I ended up doing this myself. I felt a little bad. I told the customer, he was cool. He said, take your time, it's a plow truck, I don't really need it right now. I just use it to haul stuff around, so I don't need it as fast. So it kind of did play with my mind, because I wanted to get it done. I want to get everyone's vehicle done and back to them. I don't like to keep the vehicle here longer than I have to. So this did take a little bit longer time to get done. Like I said before, thanks to the customers. He didn't have a crazy timeline. It had to be done in a week or so, because this is a lot of work. When you wrap a vehicle, it's a lot of work. So I will be the first to admit, I'm not gonna get your truck back to you in a week. It's gonna take a little bit of time, but usually I try to plan and get help. My buddy Robert from Milwaukee will come up and help me with some of the big projects. This one right here, it just didn't work out that way. But like I said, I'm happy that it is done. I think it looks awesome. You guys leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this truck. Like I said, it's just a clean gloss white wrap, nothing crazy. We didn't pull everything apart. We just wrapped totally what you can see for the most part. I already tinted this truck with front match and a visor. I did that a while ago. I also did the Duramax sticker in the back for him. So like I said, this customer has been coming to me over the years, and I greatly appreciate that. So leave a comment. Let me know what you think about the truck, man. Give the video a thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. I hope to have the live streams going maybe once it gets colder. Like I said, it's pretty busy right now, so it's hard to do a lot of the extra stuff, but I'm trying to still bring you guys content. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, stay faded. Peace.